Today we are unboxing the Bafang G020 zero rear hub motor. Let's see what's inside. First, let's open the box. Okay, lift the box up so you can have a general view. All the tools and accessories are in this box. Check it out. PAS sensor, 1T4 cable, headlight, motor controller, thumb throttle, screws and fixing tools, controller box fixing tools, cable ties, labels, controller box, instruction manual, available in 6 languages. Put everything on the table so you can have a look.